Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do an earring of the week. All right. So, the winners to the Kwanzaa pair earrings, on that last video I did, I commented to the winner on the Kwanzaa pair earrings. And I also put the winner in the description box of that video. Also, with the Natty Dread winners, they are on in the description box on that video too. Alright, so y'all know who those winners is. So I want to show y'all a couple of pair of new designs that I made, and I have more coming. I've been getting in my creative mode again, so I've been having some dope earrings, some dope designs coming out. So these are, I think I call these Melanin Earth shades, Earth Melanin shades, something like that. But look how dope she is, y'all. And I put like all the different colors, a brown and black on her. Look how she just so fly. I'm gonna probably draw this on a big piece, and then here go the other one, and then y'all can see like little glitter sparks in behind. So that is those, and these are like about 2-3 point inches. Yeah, so these are these. That's the first pair. The next pair is a pair that everybody been asking me about when I wore them in the video, and they are called, I can't remember the name what I called them, but this is a one-of-a-kind pair to now. If I get this shape again, I'll make some similar, but right now this is a one-of-a-kind pair. This is the only pair, and they have a little unk. I think I call them Indigenous Life or something like that. Yeah, but the crazy part, I made these some time ago, and I finally, you know, messed with them and finished them up. But I made them some time ago. Be honest, I made them probably like a couple of months ago. You know. But these hang right here, and they're a very nice pair. I enjoyed making these. So that is them. The next pair is these, and they are 4.5 inch unk, and then they got like a little design right up in here, kind of African colorful design, and then all around here got big chunks of glitter, gold glitter. You see that? So dope. You see those? And then I have a Rasta bead right here. And in the back, just have the glitter. They're very nice and a beautiful conversation piece. Okay. So let me show y'all them one more time. The next pair, and I'm thinking this is going to be the last pair for now, because I'm going to do another earring video this week. Probably Saturday. This is a pair, and they are some hearts with an unk on it. I've been doing a lot of unks because, you know, unks is life. So, and then the back is mud cloth, and then the front has like little mud cloth design in it, and real colorful. And then they will hang out like right here. Yep. So those are listed. These are a pair that I made some years ago, and I've been making, for some reason, a lot of people been ordering them. So I've been making them a lot. So this is her, Samek Lioness. I've been making these a lot lately. So I just wanted to show y'all those. I always get emails or DMs saying I lost one of my earrings, and I asked them did they wear their backs, and they say no. A lot of people just try to, like, you know, push it in like that. And it works sometimes, but I understand with handmade. I know I've been making these earrings for so long, and I notice when I wear my backs, I never lose one. Cause when I first started making my earrings, and I would lose one every now and then. So make sure y'all wear y'all backs. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.